Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Same day, different video. If you watched the last video of me seafoaming the Integra today, well, later today, in this video, we are just going to be getting the Civic ready for the drive. I haven't driven it in 8 months. I don't know, pretty much since wintertime when I just put it up and leave it in here in the garage. If you haven't watched that last seafoam video, I did get new bumpers, new OEM bumpers, of course new to me, front and rear. I had some aftermarket ones right there. The front bumper had this little hump right here, and the back bumper just didn't fit the way I wanted it to fit. And we all know what we did to my rear bumper that got hit. Bumper cut. I don't know if I'm pointing right. Bumper cut here. Front bumper was pretty good. Couple gouges, and there were fog lights in it, and the grill was cut. That's originally why I bought the aftermarket ones. I want to look OEM. But for today, we're just gonna get ready. I lost my turn signal bulb, so just get those in. Put a little bit of power steering fluid in there, and yeah, just I kind of wanted to make a little video of me just going for a little drive in this. It's been a while, so let's go. Alright, got that one in. Then I went over to this side, and where the bulbs, the little housing the bulb sits in, I took it off and can't find it. It's not hooked up to the harness I have here. I still haven't tucked because, you know, I'm just lazy and don't want to de-pin all this stuff and run it through the fenders right now. So you know what I'm going to do? Still gonna drive it. Just hopefully I don't make any left turns in front of cops. And if I do, I get pulled over, I guess I'll be in this video. I doubt I will though. Power steering fluids in. Checked all my fluids. I know they're all good anyways, but I'll still double check everything. Let's just go for a little cruise. Spring with all the virus going around and stuff, I haven't felt like getting out, and so it feels really good. As you can tell, I need to adjust, well, maybe if I can hold the camera straight, I need to adjust the steering wheel. Instead I need to unscrew it here and turn it. I swear my wheels were straight when I put it on, but oh well. I'll continue driving, filming a little bit. Maybe set up the camera and do some drive-bys. Been driving for a while, drove by this building, thought it was pretty cool. So, just gonna take a few pictures, post them on Instagram, follow my Instagram, link down in the description and right here somewhere probably. Yeah, the car is driving great. I can't wait to get my function and form type 1s on, because that'll make the ride a lot smoother. But yeah, It's looking pretty good. And then later this year, hopefully pull out the dent and get this thing painted. So let me snap a few pictures. I might post some of the pictures right there. And yeah, let's continue driving. While I was taking pictures here, I noticed this small puddle forming under the car, and it looks like, it's hard to see, right down here it's leaking a little bit coolant. So I'll have to look into where that's leaking from. Probably one of the little small hoses down there. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, and I go over this quite often, but this is B20 high compression. Got 1320 performance round style headers, eBay radiator, eBay intake tube with filter on it. Right now, like I said, it's sitting on some lowering springs from eBay that were on the car, and then I have an HKS Hi-Power Exhaust. Slowly been taking all the cheap parts off the car and making it my own. Got Blox control arms, upper and lower, and just kind of going through the car. So let's continue driving a little bit, start making our way home. I'll try to get a few drive-bys for you guys. Let's go. Well, that was a fun cruise, well needed for me, just to get out and get on the back roads in this car and just go through the gears. Hopefully you enjoyed the few clips I got, and I need to invest here soon in an action camera or maybe some kind of mount for this Nikon. If you know any DSLR mounts for the cars, let me know down in the comments below. But once again, here it is. It's my B20, a little bit done to it, and then here's my function form type 1 coilovers, and hopefully have those on here in the next month, and I'll of course do a review of them and install video. I know they're gonna ride 100 times better than these eBay springs. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Comment anything down below, and until next time, peace.